Hi, I'm Easy Ed, and I created this series because when I decided to learn coding, I had a really hard time. I naturally prefer to learn from books because I can control the pace myself. But so many of the resources out there for coding were videos on sites like YouTube and Udemy. Now, the instructors were great and they really knew what they were talking about, but I had such a hard time paying attention because the videos were too long and the instructors spent a lot of time talking about unnecessary things. I needed something short and to the point, broken down into small pieces where I could control the pace. So I decided to create my own series on Python for people like me with short attention spans and limited time. I will aim to make the videos around 1 minute each, and absolutely none of them will be longer than 3 minutes. This way, you can watch a video in between all of the other things you do during your busy day. We will cover one specific topic at a time. If you have more time, you can watch several videos in a row. You get to choose the length. And I will try to limit the BS and all the unnecessary talk time, so we will not be wasting your time. Sound good? All right, let's go.